1. Apply vinegar to the grout. Use a vinegar-soaked cloth or a spray bottle filled with vinegar to coat the grout you wish to get clean. If you are trying to clean grout on a vertical surface, a spray bottle is probably your best bet. After applying the vinegar, wait 10 minutes before moving on to the next step. Always use distilled white vinegar or specialized cleaning vinegar to clean grout. 2. Scrub the grout. 10 minutes after applying the grout, use a toothbrush to scrub the grout. Use firm up and down motions to scrub the grout clean. 3. Wipe the grout. Use a dry or damp rag to remove the loosened grout grime. Allow the area to dry, then evaluate it. If the grout still needs cleaning, try a different method,